Hello YouTube. Today I would like to show you how to launch your own trading bot on the Binance Smart Chain very easily, step by step, and I even provide the code. First, you're going to want to come to remix.ethereum.org. You can come to this page. You're going to have the file explorer. You can go over here, go create a new file. We're going to call this tradingbot.sol. Make sure it ends in .sol. Then I will post this link to this code down in the description. Make sure it matches. And then after you have that in there, you can go down here to the compiler. Now we're using, on this one, we're using the compiler of 5.17, and this is going to be set to something different, most likely the highest compiler. So we're going to move it down to 5.17, and we're going to hit compile. And if you get a green check mark, that means everything compiled correctly. And you're ready for the next step. Next step, you can go down here, deploy. You're going to change the environment to inject Web3. You're going to come down here to contract. You're going to click on the pancakeswap trading bot, tradingbot.sol. And then we're going to hit deploy. We're going to deploy the contract. And once it gets deployed, okay, so that's been deployed. You're going to have your contract's going to be down below right here. We have a few functions. We're going to have an action button, payout days, and all these buttons here. The main one we're going to focus on is action button. But before we do that, we need to fund our contract. So we're going to go over here and this little copy button. This copies the address of our contract. Now let me step back a tiny bit and explain this contract better. This contract trades in BUSD, Cake, and TWT, which is the trust wallet token. Cake is pancakeswap, and this is the stable coin. So for the stable coin, what it does, it trades between Cake and the trust wallet token, and on any kind of downturn in the market, any kind of volatility, it buys into the stable coin. So as the market goes down, it's in that stable coin, so it's locked in. As it gets to the bottom, then it buys back in and does the same thing. Repeats, buybacks in. So you actually make more money with this during the volatility and the unstable market. It actually makes a lot more money. This is, let me get over here. I started off with an equal amount. So when you start this contract, you start with the equal amount of each one of these tokens. And I started with 100 BUSD, 100 Cake, and 100 Trust Wallet. And I've been doing this for 1 month. And this pays out every 7 days. It's set for every 7 days for payout. And this is what I have so far. So I went from 100 Cake to 1,439, 100 Trust Wallet tokens to 1356, and 100 BUSD to 2678. So that's pretty good for 1 month. I mean, so that was, I had 100 Cake, 100 Trust Wallet, and 100 BUSD we put into this contract. So when the contract pays out every 7 days, it keeps in the 100, whatever you start with. So I started with 100, so it automatically always keeps in the 100 for each one of these tokens. So it keeps going and going and going, pays out every 7 days. You can start off with more if you want to, or less, and it'll pay out every 7 days. Of course, the more you start off with, the more it's going to be locked in there, more it's going to pay out a higher amount. If I would have started out with, let's say if I were to start out with like 500 instead of 100 in each one of these, of course it would have been a dramatically huge difference. So when I'm going to launch this new contract now, and so I'm going to go over here to copy. So I have to fund these. So I have to initially fund it. My internet's kind of slow right now, so it's taking a while to load stuff up. I've noticed since the pandemic, my internet has been going rather slow. I think more people are home and using the internet. There it goes. Okay. So I'm going to send, so paste in my contract address. And I'm going to send, this time I'm going to start off with 500. Okay, because I really want to, I kind of want to retire. So, got 500K. Remember, you have to do the equal amount for each one. So on this one, I'll have to send the same amount. To start off, you have to have the equal amount of each one. Is that going to go? Wow, the internet's slow. Try that again. 500. So my internet is going slow as slow. Let me try to reload MetaMask. See if that helps. $500. There it goes. Wow. And then as that goes, we can go to the next one. So you want to make sure each one of these tokens that you're sending right now to your contract, you have to make sure everything completes and it's already sent before we can go on to the next step to actually running the contract. I'm going to pause the video and give it some time. Okay, I've actually was able to send all those tokens. I've sent 500 BUSD, 500 TWT, and 500 cake. Now I also need to send this contract some gas money. So the recommended gas money is 0.1 BNB. My last one, I didn't quite send 0.1, it still went through. So I sent about 0.05 and it still worked. So we're going to do the same thing. So now we're going to send it some BNB. We're going to go 0.05. There we go. Here it's still, I reset my router, it's still going super slow. Okay, confirm. Okay. We have to wait for that to go through before we can send. We're gonna after this goes through, we're gonna hit action. We're just gonna start running the contract. That went through. Let me make sure. I think it said went through. Yep. Okay, so that went through. So now we're gonna hit action. And go to confirm. Let's confirm. Okay, confirmation. So now your bot is up and running. And from 7 days from this time point, you will get payout. And it'll repeat and repeat every 7 days from that time point. And I think I covered everything. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up and please subscribe to me. Thank you.